Are you going on vacation? Do you still have produce in your fridge from a previous box? Or do you just need to skip a delivery for any reason? You can do this quickly through the Talley Farms Box program's online portal. Here's how to skip or cancel a scheduled delivery. Log into your account at tallyfarmsfreshharvest.com. Once you're logged in, find the calendar on the left-hand side. Your scheduled deliveries are highlighted in green. Click on the date you want to skip. Select Cancel Pickup or Delivery. A window will pop up asking, "Are you sure you want to cancel?" Select Yes. Make sure the date on your calendar has now turned red, confirming that it has been skipped or canceled. If the date doesn't turn red, something has gone wrong and you will need to try again. Want to help your neighbors in need? Talley Farms delivers fresh produce each week to the SLO Food Bank. If you would like to donate your box instead of canceling it, please notify Cindy at cindy@tallyfarms.com or give us a call at 805-489-5401. We will bill you for the base price of your box, excluding shipping or delivery fees. Your name will be forwarded to the food bank, who will email you a receipt for your donation. Thank you for being part of the Talley Farms Box community.